Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage pictures not showing when you try to download picture from iMessage and it's loading here. So I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, you have to open settings app in your device, and from here you have to tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have strong enough connection with Wi-Fi. If you don't have, just simply have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. If you're using Wi-Fi, you have to follow this process. Okay guys, so first you have to open settings again and just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it off and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to change your mobile data into Wi-Fi or vice versa, and then you have to open settings again. Now from here you have to scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. And after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open settings again. Now from here you have to locate for iMessage. Let me tell you that you have to change your account to phone number if you were using with the email. So you have to tap on iMessage. From here you have to turn the toggle on for iMessage. Okay guys, and after that you have to scroll it on a bit. Now from here guys, you have to turn this toggle on, or you also have to turn this toggle on, and after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.